name is Tyler Johnson. Today I'm going to be demonstrating Newton's 3 laws of motion. I'm going to be using the same materials to demonstrate all 3 laws. What I'm going to be using is a car, mass, a ramp, and some wooden blocks. Newton's first law of motion is objects at rest will stay at rest. Objects in motion will stay in motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Today, my object at rest is the car. The object that's going to be in motion will be the car going down the ramp, and the unbalanced force that's going to be stopping it will be the board at the bottom. So, here we go. In Newton's first law, it clearly states that an object at rest will stay at rest. Today, my object at rest is the car. It'll stay at rest until an unbalanced force gives it a push or a pull. Today, I'm going to be the unbalanced force, and I'm going to be giving it a push. An object in motion stays in motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. My unbalanced force is going to be the wooden blocks at the end to stop it. For Newton's second law of motion, he said force equals mass times acceleration. Today I'm going to be increasing the mass but keeping the force the same. My force is the ramp. My mass is going to be these bolts. I'm going to put the bolts on the car. I'm going to tape them on, and I'm going to push the car down the ramp, and it should, in its acceleration, to decrease. The increase in mass decreases the object's acceleration. To increase the force, I'm going to raise the ramp. Then, I will push the car down with the same amount of added mass, and it should go faster. Newton's third law of motion is, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The action for Newton's third law of motion will be the car hitting the wooden block at the bottom. The reaction will be the block sliding across the other blocks. Studying Newton was a lot of fun. My name is Tyler Johnson, and today I'm going to be teaching you Newton's 3 laws of motion. The first law of motion is forever objects cut. But in Newton's second law, he says that you should mess around with the force and the mass to increase.
Hey, why don't we stop there?
Go faster.
Okay. And that's not level, so you need to be. Okay.
Okay. Action.
Huh?
I'm ready.
Studying Newton was a lot of fun. Newton's hot.